Hi guys, Mark's Tech Vlogs here with an unboxing video for the Sonos One. As you can see, I've got the black one here. The white ones come in white boxes. The surprising thing when you get them is actually just how heavy the box is considering the size of the item. But we're going to see what's inside. So when you open it up, the first thing you get to is the all-important instruction manual, which actually you don't really need because you just need to download the Sonos app and it will talk you through how to do everything anyway. Then you've got the device itself all wrapped up in this nice white cloth with the sticker on top. We'll come back to that. And then what you've got there is the mains power cable and then an Ethernet cable. So the mains power cable will tuck just under the device and be quite inconspicuous, and the Ethernet cable is a nice flat designed one if you want to connect it with a cable rather than connecting via Wi-Fi. If we unwrap the device itself, like I said, it just feels like a really premium product when you unwrap something like this. You also realize how heavy the device is when you've got it on its own. And there we go. It's got a nice kind of mesh black going on. That's metal. And it's all kind of a matte black finish, and the white is a matte white finish. And so here you go, I've got it all plugged in. It's working with AirPlay. Keep an eye on this channel and I'll put a full review up really soon.